The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a special marine warning for New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan, Michigan City, Indiana to New Buffalo, Michigan, Lake Michigan, Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing dangerous wind in excess of 50 knots from 71 nautical miles west of Burns Harbor to 62 nautical miles southwest of Burns Harbor, moving east at 50 knots. These severe thunderstorms will be near Lake Michigan, Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake around 7:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Michigan City, Indiana to New Buffalo, Michigan, around 7:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan, around 7:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Mariners can expect dangerous wind in excess of 50 knots, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
No living witness saw how the fight began or ended other than Zimmerman.
A special